Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and as you guys know, I'm a Redken brand ambassador, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the brand new Redken Shades EQ10s and just how amazingly easy and great they are to use on all of your high-level blondes. And I'm so excited that they're finally here for us to use, because who doesn't want to be a 10? So here I'm doing a mix of a baby light and a foil balayage. If you haven't seen me do this before, check out my other video. I've left a link in the description box. For her baby lights and foil balayage, I'm using Redken's Flash Lift with bonder inside, mixed with a 20 volume. So then for the magic potion and the most necessary finish to any blonding session is toner. And for that, I'm using the new Shades EQ Level 10s. I used a mix of 10N and 10VV. With the new Level 10s, you are able to neutralize, customize, and perfectly tone high-level blondes. No need to dilute with crystal clear, saving you time and delivering true natural tone results. This is perfect for those icy blondes who want a subtle violet reflect. Then I gave her a quick blunt haircut just to refresh her ends. And before her blowout, I'm using one of my new faves, Redken's new Extreme Play Safe, an all-in-one fortifying heat protectant. It reduces heat damage, strengthens and protects the hair, and it helps prevent split ends and reducing their appearance. So then to finish the hair, I did a blowout with the T3 Curelux blow dryer, and then gave her some beach waves for a laid back and effortless vibe. No blonding appointment is complete without the proper home hair care. And this is the completed look. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next one.